Hey there mga my loves, Gemini! Thank you so much for always staying here with me in this channel, babe. So, bago tayo mag-start ng inyong May 2024 reading, let me just greet everybody. Hi and hello everyone. Hi new subscribers. By the way, my name is Yan. Welcome. Nice to meet you guys. No? At sa mga returning subscribers, thank you so much for the warm love and support you're giving me. So, we do not have any gender, babae, lalaki, LGBT, cross-watchers, gay, you can flip roles if you want. And of course, at the end of the day, always have your free will. Okay, at syempre mga babes, no? Please do know no, na ito ay timeless, no? And of course, meron din tayong other channels. Kaya kung interesado ka rin na tumambay sa mga yan, ang mga links po ay nasa description box. So let's go ahead no, and dive into this beautiful reading of yours. This is for Gemini. What do we have here for Gemini for May 2024? Archangel Michael, thank you so much. Together with our angels and spirit guides. What do we have here for Gemini's May 2024? Gemini's May 2024. Gemini. Okay, so ilatag na muna natin Gemini lahat bago natin tuluyan na basahin ang mga mensaheng nakapaloob dito for you guys. You do have here first energy of Wheel of Fortune. Could be dealing here with Cancer but doesn't have to be. Let's keep moving. Could be dealing with any zodiac sign. Okay. Alaala ng kahapon ay magbabalik ha. Puwedeng kayo yung makaalala niyan. Pero pagdating sa side ninyo, 'pag naalala niyo man 'yan, parang ano lang, daan lang, 'no? Hindi talaga kayo tatahak ng, memory lane, 'no? Hindi talaga kayo maggo-go down the memory lane. Okey, bakit nga ba bigla ninyong maiisip yung parang mga, glimpse ng mga memories ng nakaraan with the past person? Because that past person will be thinking about you this May 2024 and it is already beginning now or it is starting right now to think about you. Ayan. So, meron ba kayong kausap ngayon? Excuse me. Like, if you are single pero you are connecting here with someone, beware or mag-ingat. Kasi nakikita ko no na sala siya sa lamig at sala siya sa init at may pagka-back and forth ang kanyang energy. Minsan gusto niyang umatras, minsan gusto niyang umabante. Hindi niya alam yung gagawin niya. Hindi siya sureness sa kanyang mga actions and movements, no? So nakikita ko no na mapapadalas ang pagiging sinungaling nitong person na 'to 'no, habang nagkakaroon kayo ng koneksyon. Dahil bago pa lamang ito 'no, nakikita ko 'no, na kung pakinggan mo ang iyong intuition 'no. Kasi if you feel like there's something wrong sa sinasabi niya 'no, like parang, "Hindi, parang feeling ko hindi talaga 'to yung gagawin niya, eh." Ganyan 'no. Or parang feeling ko nagsisinungaling 'to, eh, 'no. 'Wag mong, isantabi ang iyong intuition kasi maaaring yun na yung person na sinasabi dito ng iyong mga angels and guides 'no, na mag-ingat ka sa kanya. Kasi puwedeng ma-inlove ka sa kanya 'yan 'no, at 'pag na-inlove ka mas mahirap na makaalis na sa koneksyon. Kasi hindi siya yung ah, tao or tipo ng tao 'no, na magse-stay sa isang relationship. Para siyang naglalaro, non-committal siya rito 'no, at saka sasakit lang ang ulo mo sa kanya rito 'no. Kaya habang maaga pa, disconnect from that person here 'no, 'yan. Mas maganda kung hindi mo na siya kakausapin 'no, or ikaw bahala 'no, kasi you have your free will naman. Basta 'pag nahuli mo or parang pakiramdam mo parang may something wrong sa ginagawa niya, then wag mong basta ibalewala yun. Kasi ibig sabihin binibigyan ka ng signal ng mga angels mo na, "Hoy, check the red flag, baka red flag 'yan." 'Di ba? Mga gano'n. So, dito nakikita ko, Gemini, na maliban diyan, may mga iba pa tayong mga mensahe of course for you guys, 'no. So, nakikita ko rito na meron ditong mag-aalok sa'yo ng puwedeng raket or trabaho talaga 'yan, 'no. So, nakikita ko rito na kung ano man 'yan, go grab it. Kasi nakikita ko na, totoong pera ang matatanggap mo diyan, 'no, at isa itong klase ng opportunity 'no, na puwedeng magkaroon ka pa ng iba pa ritong mga potensyal na kakilala at puwedeng makatulong sila sa'yo sa iyong mga future plans when it comes to pagnenegosyo or sa trabaho, 'yan 'no, mga business connections 'no, na nakikita ko na makikita mo pa rin yung same faces na 'yan in the future 'no. Mas maganda meron tayong mga social na mga kakilala 'no, lalo na pagdating sa trabaho or pagkakakitaan kasi, dito makikita mo na yung money growth mo ay mag-a-ascend or mag-i-increase, 'yan. So, maliban diyan, ang ganda nun 'no, bale yung nakikita ko na offer na manggagaling yun is puwedeng sa friend mo or sa family friend niyo. Dun tayo nakuha. So, maliban diyan, Gemini, nakita ko rin dito mga babes 'no, na meron ditong mga biyaya na paparating sa'yo 'no. So, ito, alam mo nakikita ko lang parang ang daming biyaya na na-delay sa'yo 'no. Wag ka masyadong mag-overthink, Gemini, kasi nakikita ko rito na kapagka, ah you fix yourself. 'Pag inayos mo yung sarili mo at nag-isip ka ng positive, ginawa mong positive yung mindset mo, lahat ng delay ng mga biyaya ay darating sa'yo. Dito kasi parang pautay-utay yung pagdating 'no, kasi parang recently lang puwedeng nag-overthink ka about something or nag-over-assess ka about something or parang hindi maganda yung flow ng energy mo 'no, recently or before. So, you need to do something about it. Yan, you need to fix your energy. Protect your energy from negativities and toxicities, okay? Aside from that, Gemini, nakita ko rin dito mga babes, no, that you give out so much love in the past. But now, you are in a relationship. Yan, no, para dun sa mga may ka-in relationship na dyan. Pero you are being cautious with your partner now. Yan 'no. Paano being cautious? Dati kasi kapag nagmahal ka todo, bigay lahat 'no. Ngayon meron kang partner parang naa-apply mo lahat ng natutunan mo from your previous relationship. Nagiging maingat ka not to give too much with the person, but to give too much to yourself instead. Gano'n 'yun, eh. When you love yourself, you do the self-care, you do the self-love, then you can be able to love other people, 'di ba? So here, you love yourself, you keep your boundaries open, no? Pero you are loving that person. Pero hindi na kagaya nung bigay lahat. Does not mean na hindi niya deserve yun. But because this is you, you are learning how to love in a right way. Wherein you can also give to yourself. Okay, I hope you understand my point. And because of that, this relationship of yours right now with a new connection or with a new person has that potential to grow because that person will definitely respect you, your privacy, your boundaries, and that person will definitely see you as, wow, this person is so cool, napaka-mature niya, I like this person. I want this person to stay in my life. Then, see, you've got someone here that will be head over heels para sa'yo. 'Di ba? Gusto niya yung ganyan, matured, dahil mukha yang cool for him or her, dagdag pogi points or dagdag ganda points yan, 'no, para sa'yo, Gemini, 'no. So, nakikita ko kayo magtatagal or magkakaroon ng long-term commitment or long-lasting relationship with your person right now. Okay? And aside from that, I do see your Gemini here, no, na meron ka ritong iniintay, yan, no, may hinihintay ka rito na posibleng pagdating ng, hindi ko alam kung meron bang darating talaga or may uuwi ba talagang literal mula sa ibang bansa or may luluwas ba, ano yun, no? Nakita ko rito na hinihintay mo siya or ikaw yung susundo sa airport Or ikaw yung mag-aabang sa kanila, nakikita ko rin yun dito, Gemini, 'no? Parang meron dito magkakaroon ng family reunion, regardless kung big or small yung family, basta parang may darating from malayo, doesn't have to be from other country, but for others, yes. For others, maaaring ito ay tawid dagat, malayo, 'no? So, nakikita ko na sasalubungin mo siya or ikaw 'to na na puwedeng hindi ikaw yung susundo or sasalubong, pero you're gonna meet that person here and you will be happy seeing that person here. Yan, 'no? May bisita, 'no? May bisita. You will be reunited here with someone, 'no, na puwedeng hindi mo nakita ng matagal or hindi kayo nagkaroon ng maraming mga parang moments to share with. And now you will definitely see and be with that person. Could be a friend for others. You treat as a family. Yan. And I do see that aside from that, there's also a message here. Okay? Na meron ako nakikita ditong papeles, documents, files, whatever. It's a form of agreement. Okay? So don't miss that opportunity because it will be served to you first. If you do not grab it, it will be given to others. What do you mean, Miss Yan? Are you processing something? Are you waiting or hanging up a contract? You think it's okay. You think it's fine to grab, but for some reason, hindi ka pa gumugo. You're not yet signing it. Pwedeng work-related, pwedeng travel plans, pwede rin naman business-related, or maybe there's something here that you might want to purchase. Go grab it because the universe will serve it to you. It's like first come, first serve, and you are the first one who reserved that. It's like a reservation right here. If you will not grab that opportunity, it will be given to others. So make sure not to miss this opportunity because you will look for this. Okay? You will look for this pero nakuha na ng iba. Yan. I don't know what that specifically is, but it's like a warning. But also, might be an advice for you, Gemini, no? So, kung hindi mo yan kukunin, ibibigay yan sa iba. So, don't let it pass by. Okay? Maaring yan ay isang test or challenge ni universe, no? Sa'yo. Diba? We might not know, okay, what's the universe plan here about that specific situation. But because it is being served to you first, then you are someone who's important, isn't it? Okay? King of Swords, the message is review whatever is stated in that contract, documents, files, whatever, purchase related, business related, work, career related, or anything, marriage contract, whatever, before signing it, okay, read it, assess it as much as you do. Weigh things, the pros and cons, disadvantages, advantages, okay? Kasi nakikita ko rito, you're wanting that, but at the same time, you're hanging it. Okay? And we do not know when will the universe offer it to someone else. We do not know when is the time or exact time the universe will give it to someone else. So because you are the first one who is privileged to see that, then okay, review it. Okay? Read it carefully and see yourself, no? Pag ba grinab mo tong contract na 'to, magiging happy ka ba rito? Kasi I'm seeing you 50-50 here. But if not 50-50, you're 75% over 100. So meaning, mas lampas sa kalahati. So kung ano man 'to, no, I do not see na gusto mo 'tong ma-miss na opportunity. Okay? Kaya naman pag-isipan mo mabuti with the King of Swords energy. Make a decision out of something here na alam mong deserve mo. Okay? So, maliban dyan, nakikita ko rito, no, na meron ditong nakadestined sa'yo na sitwasyon na mangyari. and you are really moving towards this beautiful Empress energy. Okay? But first, you need to do something. And what is that, Miss Yan? You need to have that keyword. I think the keyword has something to do with help someone who is in need. Okay? Then that is already the password. The universe will open the door. You're gonna unlock those destined, no, situation na nakatakdang mangyari sa'yo, no? Help other people. I think this is something here, no, na parang kusa sana na pagtulong. Like, hindi dahil may mga destined na blessings na paparating sa'yo, but because meron ditong um, pagkusa mula sa puso na pagtulong sa iba. So, pwedeng kakilala mo yung tutulungan mo, kahit sino, kahit hindi mo kakilala or whatever. Nakikita ko rito, no, na dapat bukal sa yung loob na tumulong. And then that's already the key pass for you to be able to get inside that door para papasukin yung nakadestined na situation or oportunidad para sa'yo, Gemini. Kung ano man yun, no, I'm seeing that it's definitely ano yung nakakasilaw na liwanag, no? So, ibig sabihin, maaring ito ay may kinalaman sa new beginning mo. Magaganda yung meron sa likod ng door na yon. Kasi if it's dark, then I must say, no, na huwag mo nang buksan yung door. Diba? But here, I'm seeing that it's nakakabulag. Like, alam mo yung sikat ng araw sa tanghali, ganun, parang gusto mag-shades. But, whatever the case may be, go, no? Do something here that will definitely uplift your heart and will uplift someone else's heart just because you are generous enough to help them and share your blessings. Okay, so thank you so much, Gemini, for your time spent here and sarang love and light. Annyeong!